Hey guys, Nitin here. Today we are going to talk about a little bit of the cameras that you can buy for the first time if you are starting out in the world of photography. So, you might be starting in the world of photography and you don't know where to start with, what camera to buy, what lenses do you want to invest in. So, this is the video you want to keep watching. So, the first thing that I'll tell you is you are not buying the camera itself, you are buying into the lens system. Now keep in mind, it might look like it's not the case, but it is the true case. You can change your body within 1 to 1.5 years or even in 2 years, but the thing that you will be keeping with you is the lenses. So keep in mind before buying the camera what type of lenses you are shooting in. Now keep in mind that this video is not any research based out of scientific method or all. This is just my reviews on the camera and what I think will be good for you in your future if you are doing certain type of photography. So for this video, if you are seeing, basically I have divided the groups into first the type of photography. First is for the people either you are shooting, or the second thing is the architecture, or third thing is the landscape photography, or the fourth thing either you are shooting the completely photography and videography. So as of all, you know that people right now tend to shoot hybrid, that is photos and videos. So the first camera that I'll introduce to you is Nikon 5600. That is the perfect camera if you want to start with street, portraits and landscapes, because in my opinion Nikon gives you a little bit of realistic approach to the color science that you see in your images. It looks a little bit realistic, it looks what you see. Now if you want a little bit of dreamy colors or anything like that which you see is in Indian weddings and all, you can go for the Canon 1500T. Canon is always known for their color science. So if you want a little bit of pastel colors in your photos, you can't go wrong with Canon 1300D. Both of cameras have 24 megapixel. Both are phenomenally good at shooting. You get, I think, 1 or 2 kit lenses with them when you buy them, making your price a little bit higher. If you want a little bit good camera that can shoot videos as well as photos, you can't go wrong with the mirrorless system, that is Canon M50. Yes, Canon M50 is phenomenal camera. It is also known as a vlogging camera, starting camera for the YouTubers. Now it can take great pictures, it can give you many wonderful images if you are just traveling out here and there. Plus it has a tilt out screen, so it will help you shoot your vlogs. And Canon has one of the best autofocus while filming videos, so you can trust on the Canon M50 to get you sharp videos while you are recording your videos for the YouTube or IGTV or Instagram or anything where you want. Now if you have a little bit more of a budget than Canon M50, you can't go wrong with Sony a6400. Alpha series has been phenomenal if you want to do the videos and all for the YouTube, because Sony's eye tracking focus is phenomenal. You can't go wrong with that because it keeps your eye in focus. No matter wherever you move, you can be here looking, you can be here looking, but it will keep your eye in focus. And that's the main reason people are buying into Sony a6400, because it is a starting price camera from the Sony. It's a little bit I'll say costly, because it costs around right now 70,000 for the body. But trust me, whenever you are shooting videos by yourself, you want to shoot a good video but you don't have anyone else to help you, Sony will help you keep yourself in focus. And that's the main thing, because for the camera to keep you in focus for the videos is absolutely the first thing that should be there. Now keep in mind that Sony allows you to have different profiles, like you can shoot on S-Log2, S-Log3, you get a hybrid log. Now in Canon you can only shoot standard profile, you cannot shoot on log. Another difference that I'm remembering right now is that in Sony you can shoot 120 frames per second at 1080, while in Canon you can shoot I think at 720. So that's the basic difference. But if you really like the color science of the Canon, you can't go wrong with M50. And if you think you can edit a little bit more and you can achieve the great colors, Sony is the way to go for it. And if you just want to do photographs, then you should go with Nikon, because the colors that Nikon produce are phenomenal. If you have seen, many of the wildlife photographers are using Nikon system, because the colors, the reality that it produces is really good. The only thing that Nikon lacks is video autofocus. If you are talking about the photo autofocus, it's phenomenal. Right now I'm using Nikon D750, which is great as a wedding photo shoot, as a portrait photo shoot. I mean, I can do all things. It's a camera's beast in itself. So yeah, Nikon has a great system, but when it comes to videos, it lags far behind. So for that, I won't recommend you to go for the DSLRs because the DSLRs breed is slowly dying breed. Now I want you to say that if you want to shoot videos and photos, and if it is more than hobby that you are pursuing, you should go for the mirrorless. It might be a little bit costlier than what DSLRs offer, but remember, you are investing for the long time. If you invest a little bit more today, you can save up a lot more when you are entering in the professional camera level, full frame camera level. You will be able to understand these mirrorless things way faster than any person who is jumping from DSLR to mirrorless world. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up so that it can reach out to the people who are going to buy their first mirrorless or the DSLR camera. Comment down section below if you think there are any great options available out there for the people. And please subscribe to my channel so that you can see videos like this as soon as I post them. So I hope this was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.